Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple trick to download audio directly from Google Translate. No coding, no extensions, and no complicated tools. This method works on any browser and lets you save the Google Translate voice as an MP3 file instantly. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and go to this link format. I will put the link in the description. Now, listen carefully. You need to remove your text and replace it with YOURTEXT. Also, remove LANGCODE and replace it with the actual language code you want. For example, N for English, S for Spanish, FAR for French, and so on. And remember, don't put any spaces inside the link. If your text has spaces, use %20 instead. For example, if you want to hear the Spanish pronunciation of dame mi dinero, which means give me my money, your link should look like this. I will put the link in the description. When you paste that link into your browser and press enter, Google will instantly play the voice audio. To download it, just right-click on the player and choose Save Audio as what you want. Then save it to your computer as an MP3 file. The best part about this trick is that it works with almost any language supported by Google Translate. You can use it for English, Spanish, Japanese, Hindi, French, and many more. It's great if you're learning a new language, creating videos, or just want to hear how certain words sound when spoken naturally. You can even generate short phrases or single words and combine them later in your video editor if you want to make a full narration or voiceover. Just make sure to keep your usage personal and educational. This method is perfect for learning and small creative projects. And that's it. Now you know how to download audio from Google Translate in just a few seconds using a simple browser link. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tech tricks, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss my next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.